Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to install new KTMXHancer for prototype 2. So to get started, yeah, I recommend you to get prototype 2 fix, unlike before, because this time I think prototype 2 fix works better with texture mod. It works much better actually, instead of using any shortcut. So I recommend you to get the latest, and then open these. Make sure there's no D3D9, right? So this one here, 1.6. So drag it into your prototype folder. After that, go in here, which is my files, and then copy and paste them. It's gonna paste a lot of stuff. It's gonna replace a few. And you know what? This is the one that belongs to prototype fix, but it just adds a little bit of, I guess, my settings in here. You can change the resolution if they don't match your display. After that, I need to make sure Reshade works properly. You see, a new version of Reshade seems to work better on, I guess, new update of Windows. For some reason, this 6.1 version that I used to use back in the days caused crash. So it's a necessity to use the latest. So I'm choosing the latest, pressing next, choosing this one. You could choose this and then select the INI and then press next and install it. Of course, I've already done the downloading. Now I'm going to open this. I'm going to browse my game, and then I'm going to browse texture. Now here's a few texture. This is the main one. It's going to stay on the bottom. And if you want to use text skin mods, you want to select this and put this on the top. Okay, this is the same thing like before, and if you still have my old skin files, you can use them too. Just put them on the top and then press run. It says what that means? It means it's not working. So what you want to do is right click, run as administrator, again select this, main, then mercer's watch screen, and then run. It's gonna take a while because this time they're higher in resolution, a little too high, like 4K plus. There's a few that's like 32-bit. Usually it's 8-bit. That's the limit for most of these DirectX 9 games, but kind of pushed the limit this time. That makes it hard to load. But once it loads, it should be okay. Okay, so here we go. You can see there's the new version, and the fun thing about new version is it looks so much faster. At least the Reshade. So when you press home, you have this screen. When you press end, you just you test out Reshade effects. I'm going to go to option, going to video. You can see that I have this resolution. I have anti-aliasing to none, but you can increase it. It's not going to cause any conflict, which is fun because most of the time you have conflict with anti-aliasing. And now I can choose this. I can press yes. I'm going into the game to show you around, so you can see some things have changed. That build, this is like a sign to know that it's working. So there's a different type of And you also have KTMXHancer logo in the menu, and yeah, these have changed too. You can see these are dense here, much more dense. These are new, and I'm going to choose Alex Mercer. To do that, I'm pressing M or select button on controller. I'm going to rewards, going to play skin. Alex Mercer, press enter, yes, and then go back. Yeah, and it is working. You can see these are changed, and then the roads have cracks. These are so I don't want to scare people. So you got flowers up there. These are new. You can see the clouds are smoother because they're 32-bit. Maybe that means 32 millions of color. That's crazy. And there it is. Looks nicer.
Maria, let's go! Hurry! Hurry!
All these details are
Everybody go!
new.
Go!
Here it looks cooler. Oops. Okay. Press F. Huh. Look at that. He looks red because he's evil. We're evil because we're Alex Mercer. That's why we got a red glowing. I'm going to come up here. You can see the wings are nicer too. It also looks like Spider-Man. Let me go. I don't know, steal something. Okay, so here's the military. You can see these are blue, but I am red. Looks much nicer too. So there you have it. If you like this, consider subscribing, and I'll see you later.